You might think of bees as tiny, buzzing creatures that only care about flowers. But it turns out these little insects have some pretty incredible brain power. And no, I'm not talking about their ability to make honey. Bees can actually recognize human faces. Yeah, you heard that right, faces. Bees aren't just good at finding flowers. They can use their tiny brains to remember and recognize human faces, just like how we recognize each other. Scientists discovered this after conducting experiments to see if bees could learn to associate human faces with certain rewards. Here's how it works. In a study, researchers showed bees a picture of a human face, and every time the bee landed near it, they were rewarded with a sugar treat. Over time, the bees learned to remember and recognize that face. And surprisingly, the bees could even pick out the same face from a lineup of other faces, just like how we can pick out a familiar face in a crowd. This ability to recognize faces might not sound like a big deal, but it's actually pretty mind-blowing. For a creature with a brain the size of a pinhead, bees can process visual information in a way that's more complex than we once thought. It's all about their brains, which are designed to spot patterns. This allows them to recognize faces and remember them, just like how we remember faces of people we know. But bees don't just do this with faces, they also use similar strategies to recognize flowers and navigate their environment. So, next time you see a bee, remember, they might be buzzing around looking for flowers, but they're also watching you. In fact, they might even remember your face. It's proof that even the tiniest creatures are capable of some seriously impressive mental feats. Bees are more than just pollinators. They're little genius insects with amazing abilities. And if you think that's cool, wait till you see what other crazy facts we've got in store.